Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 to give you a tip if you're driving an F-150. If you're hearing some kind of rattling noise and you can't just fix it or can't figure out what it is, check your oxygen sensors and see if they're loose. Also, when you go to the catalytic converters on bank 1 and bank 2, grab the heat shield. I have an F-150 and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from, and actually was on the passenger side on the heat shield on top of the catalytic converter, and it became loose, and I just went on top and bolted it down. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do differently, but if you drive an F-150 and you hear a rattling noise, check your exhaust system, oxygen sensors, and the heat shields. 9 times out of 10 that's what it's going to be, or a hanger for the exhaust. Thank you.